This video is sponsored by my clients, because if it wasn't for my clients, I wouldn't even have a YouTube channel. And if I didn't have an awesome business that provides my clients the best results, I definitely sure won't have clients to actually pay me money. Thank you, Joshua. Right there. There you have the payment of $1,500, the online holiday special. So this will be the last sunset of 2024.
This video is sponsored by Pinnacle Credit Repair. For those of you that don't already know about Pinnacle Credit Repair, it's the go-to solution for fast, effective credit improvement. Pinnacle Credit Repair offers two powerful programs: the Fast Track Elite program for those who want rapid results but on a budget, and the Elite program for those who prefer to work with me directly and want to be on my VIP list. We're consistently ranked as the best for delivering exceptional tailored credit repair service according to badcredit.org and many other highly revered credit repair websites, and have a solid reputation for removing the hardest items from credit reports quickly. Don't take our word for it. Check out my YouTube playlist on my homepage of my YouTube channel to see hundreds of successful. Book a consultation with me today. Let's make your credit goals a reality.
All right, let's start this video. Let me unwrap my little wrapper here. I got a cigar. I forgot the name, the brand. Who cares at this point? At this point, I can just smell it